Visit us at Eduvvo. Thank you for calling Eduvvo.
Today I'm going to show you how to grow your YouTube channel in 2020. This is the same step-by-step process that I used to grow my channel to 292,000 subscribers. And in this guide you're going to learn exactly how to get more views and subscribers. Let's dive right in. Step number 1, find untapped video keywords. Step number 2, create videos optimized for watch time. Step number 3, optimize your YouTube videos. Step number 4, use thumbnails that stand out. Step number 5, create and promote optimized playlists. Step number 6, promote videos to your audience. Step number 7, turn viewers into subscribers. Bonus step, rank videos in Google search. Now we will talk one by one in details, so don't miss any step. Step number 1, find untapped video keywords. When it comes to YouTube, video keyword research is super important. Choose the right keywords. Your videos rocket to the top of YouTube. Choose the wrong keywords. Your videos get buried in the search results. For example, one of the videos from my channel ranks number 1 in YouTube for YouTube views. And largely thanks to that number 1 ranking, that video generates 117k views every month. With that, here's how to find keywords for YouTube. 1. First, create a list of seed keywords. Seed keywords are terms that describe super broad topics. For example, if you were in the digital marketing space, your seed keywords would be things like social media, LinkedIn marketing, Facebook page, content marketing. And if you ran a fitness site, your seed keyword list would look like this: fat loss, kettlebell workout, paleo diet, cardio workout. See how that works? These are broad topics that you can create videos about. Now, to be clear, you're not going to optimize your videos around any of these terms, they're too competitive. But a list of seed keywords is super helpful for the next step. Speaking of 2. Next, pop your seed keywords into YouTube search. Now it's time to turn a seed keyword into dozens of long-tail keywords. How? YouTube Suggest. This works just like Google. Pop a seed keyword into YouTube. And check out the keywords that YouTube suggests. If you want to scale this process, head over to keywordtool.io. When you enter a seed keyword into this tool, it'll spit out hundreds of terms from YouTube Suggest. At this point, you should have a bunch of long-tail keywords. Question is, which keywords should you pick? That's what step number 3 is all about. 3. Finally, it's time for YouTube competition analysis. Just like with Google, you want to optimize your videos around keywords that A. Get lots of searches, and B. Aren't super competitive. How do you find these magical keywords? An awesome Chrome extension called TubeBuddy. vidIQ also works well. This tool shows you stats for each keyword right in the search results. That way, you know whether or not a keyword is too competitive before you make your video. Pretty cool. Okay, so you found a keyword. Nice. Now it's time for the fun stuff, creating your video. Step number 2, create videos optimized for watch time. YouTube's number 1 goal is to keep people on YouTube. After all, the more time people spend on YouTube, the more money they make from ads. And that's why YouTube's algorithm puts so much emphasis on watch time. Never heard of watch time? Here's a simple explanation. Wait. Watch time. Noun. Definition. The total time spent watching a YouTube video since it went live. Simple. And here's what that report looks like in YouTube Analytics. As you might expect, YouTube loves videos that track up lots of watch time. In fact, YouTube has gone on the record saying that Watch time is measured in cumulative minutes watched, and each video uploaded, as well as every channel on YouTube, is ranked by watch time. Channels and videos with higher watch times are likely to show up higher in search results and recommendations. YouTube Creator Academy. In short, the more time people spend watching your video, the higher it will rank. The question is, how do you create videos that keep people watching? Let's find out. 1. Publish long videos. I don't care what the experts say. Long videos perform better than short videos. And there's data to back this up. We conducted the largest YouTube ranking factor study ever. We analyzed over 1 million YouTube videos. What did we find? That longer videos tend to outrank short videos. And this data confirms what I've seen with my own 2 eyes. Back in the day, I only published short videos like this. And that's one of the main reasons that my videos were practically invisible on YouTube. Today, I focus on packing as much value as I can into a single video. Which means that my new videos tend to be at least 10 minutes. And because my videos are so long, they rack lots of total watch time automatically. 2. Cut out the fluff from your intros. According to YouTube, the first 15 seconds of your video is key. In other words, your intro needs to grab your viewer by the eyeballs. And you have 15 seconds to do it. Back in the day, my video intros had a lot of background info. For example, here's an intro from one of my early videos, before I knew what I was doing. Now check out this fluff-free intro from one of my latest videos. See the difference? Again, my intro previews exactly what you're gonna learn. No background. No fluff. And that effective intro is one of the reasons that this video racked up over 143K of watch time minutes in 30 days. As you can see, your video's intro is really important. But there's another great way to increase watch time that I haven't mentioned yet. Which leads us to 3. Incorporate pattern interrupts into your videos. Want people to watch your video all the way to the end? Use pattern interrupts. Seriously. They work insanely well. In fact, pattern interrupts are one of the main reasons that my audience retention tends to be so high. So, what are pattern interrupts? Pattern interrupts. Noun. Pattern interrupts are elements in your video that are different than the rest of your video. They literally interrupt the pattern. Pattern interrupts can be things like on-screen graphics, animations, new background or setting, B-rolls, different camera angles, sound effects, bulleted list, and more. How about an example? My old YouTube videos didn't use any pattern interrupts. As you can see, this video is super static. It uses pretty much the same exact shot the entire time. The video also lacks visuals, cuts to different shots, or anything else to break up the pattern. Flash forward to today, and it's pattern interrupts galore. My videos use tons of B-rolls. You've got on-screen graphics and animations that explain key concepts. And it should come as no surprise that these changes helped push my average view duration up to a very solid 4 minutes, 55 seconds. 4. Script every line. This is a biggie. Unless you're one of those people that drops the mic at the end of every conversation, you need to script out your videos. Or at least follow a detailed outline. In the early days of my channel, I would fire up the camera and start talking. There's also the issue of my hair. And my shirt. But that's another story. Step number 3, optimize your YouTube videos. You already know that YouTube SEO is important. So let's dive right into the steps. 1. Keyword optimized your video title. Here's the deal. Keyword optimized video titles aren't as important as they used to be. In fact, Our YouTube ranking factors study found a weak relationship between keyword-rich titles and rankings. That said, using a keyword in your title does help, a little. So I recommend doing it. For example, one of my videos is targeting the keyword SEO tips. So I make sure to use that exact term in my title. 2. Write titles designed to maximize center. Unlike Google, YouTube has confirmed that they use click-through rate as a ranking signal. In fact, a YouTube research paper states that, when it comes to recommending videos to users, to evaluate recommendation quality we use a combination of different metrics. The primary metrics we consider include click-through rate, center, long center, only counting clicks that led to watches of a substantial fraction of the video. The YouTube Video Recommendation System. ResearchGate. Put another way, the more people click on your video, the more YouTube will promote it. The question is, how do you do it? You want to write titles that have a clear benefit, without resorting to clickbait. 3. Write keyword-rich, SEO-friendly video descriptions. Most video descriptions on YouTube are really short. According to YouTube, short descriptions like this really hurt your video SEO. In fact, they officially recommend long descriptions. Write full descriptions, up to 1 to 2 paragraphs. Some creators only put their social media links in the description, potentially missing out on a lot of extra views. YouTube Creator Academy. Which is why I write in-depth descriptions for every video that I upload to my channel. 4. Optimize your video tags. It's no secret that YouTube tags are huge for SEO. But how do you optimize them, exactly? Use 2-3 tags that include your target keyword and close variations. Add 2 tags that describe your video's topic using words that aren't in your main keyword. Add 1-2 tags that represent your high-level industry or vertical. For example, check out this video from my channel that's optimized around the keyword link building. A handful of my keywords are either my actual keyword or long-tail versions of that term. Others are other ways of describing my video's topic. And 3 of them give YouTube context about my video's broad, overall category. Step number 4, use thumbnails that stand out. YouTube reports that 90% of the best performing videos on YouTube have custom thumbnails. That's legit. How do you create eye-catching YouTube thumbnails? Here are 2 quick tips that are working really well right now. First, use lots of contrast. You want the colors in your thumbnail to clash as much as possible. Here's an example of what I mean. See how all of the different colors in the thumbnail stand out? In fact, they even add tiny borders between text and objects to increase this contrast. Second, use colors that stand out on YouTube. As you know, the YouTube platform is mostly red, white and black. So to stand out, you want to use colors that aren't red, white and black in your thumbnails. Step number 5, create and promote optimized playlists. Playlists are an underrated way to get more views and subscribers. Why? Playlists dramatically increase your session time. Session time is the amount of time someone spends on YouTube after they start watching your video. And session time is a ranking factor that YouTube cares about a lot. In fact, YouTube says this about session time. Your channel also gets a boost when people watch anything anywhere in YouTube after watching your content. And when you make content that makes people watch more from your channel, then you're helping us out. YouTube Creator Academy. For example, let's say someone starts watching a video from your channel. And right after they're done, they close their browser. Your video is causing people to leave YouTube. So they're going to demote that video. On the other hand, let's say someone starts watching your video. And after they're done, they watch another video. This time, your video is keeping people on YouTube. So they're going to promote it. And that's where playlists come in. When someone's done watching a video in a playlist, it automatically plays another video. In other words, playlists automatically improve your session time. That's why I curate my videos into playlists and show them off on my channel page. Step number 6, promote videos to your audience. You already know that YouTube is the world's second largest search engine. But that doesn't mean you can just upload a bunch of optimized videos and expect to rank. Just like with blog content, you need to give your YouTube videos a little push to get going. That push can include sharing clips of your video on social media, sending an announcement to your email list, or even promoting your videos using email outreach. If your video is optimized for watch time, that initial push is all you need to get going. YouTube will pretty much take care of the rest. That said, no amount of promotion can make up for a bad video. For example, a few years ago I published this video. Because I promoted that video on social media and to our email subscribers, that video got a view spike in the first few days. Unfortunately, that video wasn't all that great, at least according to folks on YouTube. Which is why that video barely gets any views today. So yeah, promoting your YouTube videos is a key part of growing your channel. But it only works long term if you have awesome video content in the first place. Step number 7, turn viewers into subscribers. The steps that I outlined so far should help you get more views. But views is only one part of growing your YouTube channel. The other part? Getting more subscribers. One of the best ways to get more subscribers is to add a subscribe button to your end screen. Here's an example from my channel. Please visit my channel for more information, and stay connected by subscribing my channel. Obviously, only a small fraction of viewers will make it all the way to the end of your video. But those people that do watch your entire video are super primed to subscribe. And that end screen button makes it easy for them to subscribe to your channel. Now it's bonus time. Bonus step, rank videos in Google search. Ranking your YouTube videos in Google is a great way to get more views. In fact, 34.6% of my external views come from Google search. And the best way to rank your videos in Google? Target keywords that already have a video carousel in the SERPs. As an example, the keyword video SEO has a video carousel at the top. When you see a video carousel, you know that Google wants to show people video results for that term. And if your video performs well enough on YouTube, Google may start to show your video in the carousel. For example, one of my YouTube videos ranks in the top 3 of YouTube for how to get more views on YouTube. That same video also ranks in Google for that keyword. Pretty cool. What did you think? I hope this new post showed you how to grow your YouTube channel. Now I'd like to hear from you. What's your number one takeaway from today's best video? Or maybe you have a question. Either way, let me know by leaving a quick comment below. I'll be around to personally reply to comments and questions that come in. Stay touched by subscribing for best. Your feedback and suggestions make us better and best. If you are looking for teaching stuff, education stuff, programming series, application, and Android development, coding skills, marketing skills, presentation skill, paid courses for free are available. Thank you for calling Eduvvo.